Well, hello everyone, I'm back. And I have another unboxing. This is yet another freebie. So this is my third freebie that I won from AliExpress. This one I call Birds and Snow. Now I applied for this, I don't know when exactly, but I was advised that I won on August 27th. It was shipped on August 28th, and it was delivered sometime between September 10th and 16th. I was in London, so I don't actually know what day this got delivered, but I got back on the 16th and it was here. So, actually I got back on the 17th and it was here. Today, by the way, is September 19th. So, so the package arrived. I can feel the box inside is crushed, but let's see what we've got here. I think this is a Huacan. All right. So as we see, the box is a little bit crushed. Shouldn't matter too much. So let's get into this diamond painting. And there's what we see inside. It looks like it's on a foam core. Oops. Okay, I think there's a kit. Oh, there's a kit, indeed. Okay. Okay, so here is the entire contents of the kit. Let's take a look first at the toolkit. So I just opened the AZQSD freebie, and it had exactly the same kit, except that the AZQSD kit had a different bracelet, or whatever this is. This is a dragonfly. Okay, and so it's got a 4-placer on the end, regular 1-placer with a squishy. It's got a 10-placer in here. Yeah, 10. So that's nice. And then it's got the nice tweezers. The only thing about, like, I do like the Huacan tweezers. The only thing is that these edges here dig into your fingers. If you are one who likes to do all your drilling with tweezers. I used to, I don't anymore. But I had to put squishies over the edge of the tweezers, otherwise it would have hurt my fingers too much. And then this wax, I mean, it's a big piece, but this is not good wax. I can tell right now that it's not see-through really, and that's not going to be good wax at all. The wax in the other kit was much better. Okay, so I'm going to set the drills aside for now. Let's take a look. Here is the thumbnail. Whoops, there we go. That's the thumbnail. We'll see it better in a moment when I get into the diamond painting. So let's see. So Huacan, AZQSD, all of those Huacan family of companies, they shrink wrap their canvases and they put them on a foam roller. And they also wrap them with a piece of tape here. So it's just a case of finding the edge of the tape, which I can never do. So I'll just cut it. There we go. All right, and then remove that. There we go. All right, so let's see. Let's first take a look, before we look at anything else, let's take a look at the symbol set. So letters and numbers, I like that. And then we get into a bunch of other symbols. Now I've seen pretty much all of these symbols before. There's a few that I don't even know what that is. It's a light color on a light color. That would have been better if it was printed in black. but since it's the only one that's really, really hard to see like that, I'll just be looking for the color. Okay, so there we go. It's 45 colors, and it is 40 by 50. The freebies are generally 40 by 50. All right, so let's open this up for you. So this has the Huacan marking on the, oh, and it's got 2 legends. I'm going to lift you up a little bit so that you can see this better. Okay. All right, so it has legends on both ends, which is nice. I know a lot of people enjoy that. To me, it doesn't matter that much, but there you have it. If you do like that sort of thing, well, it'll make you happy. So there we go. All right, so it's got, looks like 4 pre-cut strips. The adhesive extends a little bit beyond the edge of the canvas. You know what? Hold on. Before I do that, I'm going to pull it back here and just flatten that down so that we can see as much as possible. I'm going to put this back down. There we go. Was kind of cute. I don't know when I'll ever do it, but I like the colors of the birds and the berries on the trees. It reminds me of the sort of thing that I see here at home. Now there's a little tiny bit of paper that got stuck to the canvas, so I'm just going to remove that with the tweezers. There we go. No harm done. So yeah, so that's a cute little picture. I have friends who might enjoy this, so I'd be happy to do this for one of my friends. Yeah, very much. Okay, so I'm going to take you down to look at the symbols on the canvas. So for that, I'm going to take you out of the holder. So that's very clear. Now let's go up to the breast of the bird, because that's where I think we'll find that symbol that I couldn't quite make out. Okay, not here. Not here. Okay. These are all clear. Again, we've got this, let me see. Here, we've got this very pale peach color, and the symbol that appears on top of it is not at all clear. And up here, you see these here? I can't tell if that one right there is the same as the others. I don't think it is. I don't know. It's very confusing. So I'm not sure I like the symbol set on this. I think the symbols are, they should be printed in dark print on light backgrounds, because they're just so difficult to distinguish. Yeah, not impressed with that. So that makes me think I'm not going to be doing this one for a long, long time, if ever. The printing is clear, it's just that I strongly believe that when you have a light color background, you need to have a black printing on it. Okay, so that's it. That's the drill field. I'm going to cover up the picture now, and I'm going to take a moment to measure the drill field, and then we will go on with the drills, and we'll do a quick inventory. Now, this did not lie down perfectly, but you know what? I don't care. There's a tiny, tiny gap here. Let's see if I can close it up. I'm not sure I can close it. I don't think I can close that gap up. Okay, I'm not gonna fuss with it. Okay, so over onto the back, so we see a little bit of where the painting got crushed in shipping, but that was a shipping problem. Otherwise, this canvas would be absolutely perfect. So it's not Huacan's fault. Well, let's see. I'm checking out the thickness of the cardboard. It's actually not as thick a cardboard box as some others. So, like, take a look at that. It's not really very thick, the cardboard here. So that has a lot to do, I think, with why this got crunched up. Okay, let's take a look at the drills. And I notice there is no inventory sheet. So I'll need to do inventory on the diamond painting itself, which is no problem. I'm going to reorient the camera, bring you down closer, and we'll do a quick inventory. Okay, so I'm just going to say first off that this is 40 by 50. The one I just opened was also 40 by 50. That was the succulents and cage. And this feels like there's more diamonds here. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so again, these are weighed and labeled. So I probably won't put these into diamond painting like drill containers. I'll probably just stick a piece of cardboard in there and draw the symbol on here and just work from these. It depends. It depends on, you know, how I'm feeling when I decide to do this diamond painting, if in fact I ever do this diamond painting. All right, so I'm going to fast forward through the inventory. Yeah, they're all here. That's good. Okay, so that's it, everybody. That is the Huacan Birds in Winter. Yeah, this is my 200th diamond painting. Ooh, that means I have to record a stash update. And I will be doing that hopefully this week. So this is 200 Birds in Winter. And it's a freebie. It is, okay, I didn't measure it. It is supposed to be 40 by 50. Let's see. Okay, it's 39 across. And I don't think you can see, but trust me on this. It is 48 high, so that's the same as I had from AZQSD. So it is 39 by 48, and these are squares, and it's from Huacan. Okay, so that's it, everybody. I want to say thank you very much for watching this video. I want to thank all my patrons for their contributions to supporting my channel. I want to thank all of my viewers and subscribers because you guys make me want to make more videos and make interesting ones for you. These videos that I'm shooting now will probably not be posted until November or December, even January, because I have I've recorded a lot of unboxing videos and they're being released every 3 days. So yeah, that's going to take us well into the winter, I think. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy these. Let me know what you think down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is a good time to do it. If you haven't checked out my Patreon page, check it out. So thanks, everybody. I love you all. Take care. Have a great day. And be well. Bye-bye.